Peace, love, and PEZ. That's what they're talking about at this year's PEZmania 2018, so I thought I'd throw something psychedelic up here for you. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZbook channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. There you can see sometimes when they get hot, that little wrapper there, a piece of paper, it's glued on there, it'll move like that. Or it could have just been poor job by a homeworker. So we'll say the homeworker didn't love PEZ as much as they should have when they put this on. When you go to look for these, look here in this area. Right in through there. Sometimes there will be a little hairline crack on these dispensers. And as I say that, of course I find one. It's right in here. You have to look extra careful. See that little line there? Real faint. Unfortunately, that's a crack. That is something that's very common with these. Also, you want to make sure the tip of this finger is there. As you can see, all the fingers are really nice on this. This is the double sticker version. Solid stem color. This one's white. That's really cool. Some of them will have marbleized stem with some green, a little purple in them. A little psychedelic, if you will. Mod PEZ is the sticker on this one. Mod is a old term for cool. And love PEZ, that's an old term for enjoying something very much so, called PEZ. So there you go. Something a little psychedelic for you. This also comes in a black hand version as well. So until next time.